you guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the KKW Mrs. West collection. So we are getting married today, you guys, so let's get beautiful. If any of you guys are having a wedding coming up, this look is so pretty. Stay tuned to the very end so you guys can hear my final thoughts of the video. Please make sure you guys like and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell down below so you guys can get updates for all my future upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first color that I'm going to be going in with is Field of Dreams, which is this one right here. And so I'm just going to grab a small brush. So this is in the brush JH40. Sorry, I'm not going to grab this one right here. This is actually really dark. I meant to say I'm going to grab May 24th, which is this one right here. And just going to apply that right here. Okay, I'm just going to grab a different brush. This is in the morphing brush. It looks like that. Going in with the same color, May 24th. Okay, next color I'm going to go in with is Etched in Stone, which is this one right here. And I'm going to use a flat brush like that. And this is in the JS11 brush. And I'm just going to apply that right here in the inner corner and like on the crease area. These colors are so nice. And they pack very well too. Okay. Now I'm just going to grab another brush. What is this? If you guys can see it. And then that one's in the JS12. I don't have any product on it, but I'm just going to use that to blend in the brown and that Etched in Stone. Just going to blend those two colors in. So that way we don't have any harsh lines. Another brush. This is in the JS9. And I'm going to go in with this color, Just Married. And we're going to grab a little bit and we're going to put that in right underneath where we put May 24th. So we're going to put that right here in the outer corner right here. And then just kind of blend that in with this color right here, which was Etched in Stone. Now I'm just going to grab another fluffy brush. This one's from, I believe it was from It's Cosmetics. Just like a fluffy brush like that. And I'm just going to go back in with May 24th, which is this one right here. Just grabbing just a little bit because I do want that brown to show. Now with another smaller brush, just like that. This is in JS13. I'm going to go in with this pretty Mrs. West right here. And we're going to put that right here. Now I'm going to just go in with Please Marry Me, which is that one right there. Going in with that same brush, I'm just going to put that right in the inner corner. I'm actually going to use that same flat brush that I used earlier. I'm just going to put some of that right on top of that peachy cream color that we put on earlier. Okay, I'm just going to grab the brush that I used with Just Married. Just going to blend those colors in. Now the same colors that I use May 24th, and I'll also use Just Married. I'm going to use that for my bottom of my eye, and very lightly going in and just applying that right here. Alright, so now with the smaller brush, it's like a pencil brush. This is in the JS14. It looks like that. I'm just going to go in with the darkest color right here, which is Field of Dreams. And very lightly going to go and just make like a small little line. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up the other eye off camera. Excuse me. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the blush. This is what the blush looks like. It's really pretty. Really soft pink color. It's really small and it's so cute because it has like a little mirror right there. So just going to go ahead and use a blush brush. I'm just going to add that right here. Very soft, and wow, look at that. It's really pretty. Oh, I think I went overboard a little bit. Maybe not. I love some blush. Okay. So that was the blush. Now for highlight. This one's called Forever Highlight. What was this one called? Forever Wall Blush. And then this is the Forever Highlight. So I'm just going to grab my Morphe M510 brush. And this is what it looks like. It reminds me of my favorite highlight, which is Champagne Pop. I'm going to grab and just put some right here. It's really nice. Really, really pretty. Let me put a little bit more. Wow. It's really pretty. And then it also came with a lipstick, a lip liner, and some lip gloss. Lipstick, this is called Love. So, it's very brown. Now for the lipstick, this one is called Love Too. soulmate. So pretty. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. You also want to make sure that since it's your wedding and you're going to be creating your own makeup, you want to go with waterproof mascara just in case if you cry, then your mascara is not messing up your makeup. So let me go ahead and do that and I will be right back. Alright, so I went ahead, I applied my mascara and I put on my lashes. And this is the final look, you guys. We're getting married. So my final thoughts on everything was I thought it was really good. The product is very blendable. I think personally it was worth it. I purchased everything off of her website. The entire collection was $100. So, I mean, I think it was pretty good. It's not too bad. You get the palette, you get the lip liner, the lipstick, the lip gloss, the highlighter, and the blush. So, I mean, can't go wrong with that. I mean, it was really pretty colors. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and also share this video too with some of your friends who are getting married or anything like that. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.